Hi everyone! I wanted to share with you today my laundry. It's really quite a basic laundry, but it does everything it needs to do. Your laundry needs to work for you. It needs to be a space that is functional for you and for your family. It needs to be accessible for everybody to be able to put their dirty washing in during the day. I'll show you what I keep underneath my laundry sink, and I'll show you what I keep in my broom cupboard. On this shelf here I keep extra vacuum cleaner parts and my iron in the middle basket, and then some extra light globes in that third basket there. We also have a cooler that we can take out on picnics. This is the main part of the broom cupboard here. So I have both of my laundry baskets on hooks and they just come straight off. They're just little command hooks. I keep both of my baskets on those hooks there. I keep our ironing board there. I keep a couple of clothes horses here, and then my vacuum cleaner just sits on the floor there. And then on this side I have my Norwex mop pads and Norwex mop, and this is just a long cleaning brush that I can use. And I also keep our cobweb broom back there. So that's my broom cupboard and how I organise it. So here's my laundry cupboard. I keep a hand towel on that rod there just so that if I'm using the sink for any reason and I need to dry my hands, it's not having to walk all the way to the kitchen. So let's have a look underneath. So just like my kitchen sink, I keep a pair of gloves on a command hook and on a binder clip just inside the door. Under the laundry sink I keep a dustpan and shovel and a scrubbing brush just to scrub down the sink after I've used anything that might be a little bit yuck. In this basket here is delicate bags, and in this basket here is some pre-stain remover, some nappy sand, and in that bin at the back there are some pegs hanging the washing on the line. In this tub here is a squeegee and a spray bottle that I can use in the shower, spraying down the shower, and behind that is some bleach and some ammonia. Don't really need them very often, but I do have them for those every now and then times. So I keep a plunger, and then this basket here is lots and lots of little bits and pieces that I need that you might not keep anywhere else in the house. So there's some Glen 20, some starch spray for clothes when I'm ironing, a little bit of drain cleaner. There's some insect spray here just for if we go outside. This is some carpet deodorizer. I keep some Epsom salts in this container too because it's really great to use Epsom salts in the washing machine to clean it out. I keep a lint roller in here as well, along with some Norwex wrinkle-free release and a little bit of static spray too. So there's lots of different laundry type items in that box. And then this bucket here is for anything that I want to soak separate to what I would soak in the sink. So next to that cupboard, I have our laundry pull-out washing basket. So everything just goes in there from all the baskets around the house that are kept in the bathrooms and the bedrooms. Just gets dumped into there, and then I can sort it on this shelf here and organise it into the washing machine. Above the washing machine we have our dryer. And then we have a floating shelf here that I keep laundry powder on. That's the only thing that I really keep out all the time. That's the thing I access the most. So that's my laundry. That's everything that I keep in my laundry. I don't have a lot in here because I don't use a heap of cleaners. I hope this was a little bit helpful.